Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Telegram account so it will automatically delete itself if you stay inactive for 6 months. This feature is part of the app's privacy and security settings, and it's especially useful if you don't want your account or data hanging around when you're no longer using it. Let's get started, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where all of your personal preferences are stored. Click into Settings, and on the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Select the one called Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find a section labeled Delete My Account. Right beneath it, there's an option called If Away For. This setting determines how long Telegram will wait before automatically deleting your account when you're not active. Click on If Away For, and you'll see different time periods you can choose from. By default, it might say 1 month, but you can change this to suit your preference. Since you want the account to delete itself if you're away for 6 months, simply select 6 months from the list. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to confirm it. Look for the Save button and click it to finalize your new setting. Telegram will now remember your choice, and if you remain inactive for 6 months straight, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and you're done. Setting this up is a smart move for anyone who values privacy or doesn't want old accounts left behind. Now you know how to set Telegram to delete your account after 6 months of inactivity. Simple, secure, and effective. Thanks for watching.